We used to talk about the striping fairies that would come in the middle of the night, kind of like the tooth fairy, and just magically stripe the field. I don't think that the students really understood what went into prepping the field. Now we're out here while the football players are here, and they see what we're doing. They see the participation from the parents, and you know, some of the players, their own parents, are out here doing this. So it's a great way to show them that we're proud of our school and proud of them. I myself, I have 2 cheerleaders, so no football players. It's just a good mix of parents from around the school. Each week before our home games, we come out and we put down our template for the V in the middle of the field. We paint that red and have a white outline around that. We do all the numbers, we do the hash marks, as well as the yard markers and the outer boundaries of the field. When I started, we had a number of coaches that were out here striping the field, kind of taking it upon themselves, and that was taken away from their time to spend with the kids. So we decided to pull together a team and do it for them. It's always great to see all of our parents rally together to come put together our football field every night. There's a sense of pride in everybody that comes out and do this. It's a great day to be a Viking.